Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Salesforce Einstein Lead Scoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Salesforce Einstein Lead Scoring, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the app launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner. In the app launcher search bar, type Einstein Lead Scoring and select it. If you do not see the Einstein Lead Scoring option, make sure your Salesforce edition includes Einstein features. Now, click on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, scroll down to find Lead Scoring. Click on Lead Scoring to open the setup page. Here, you will see an option to enable lead scoring. Toggle the switch to activate lead scoring. Next, select the objects and fields you want Einstein to analyze for scoring. This may include lead data such as industry, annual revenue, and past interactions. Once you have selected your desired fields, click the Save button to store your changes. After saving, proceed to the Settings tab within the Lead Scoring section. Here, you can customize the scoring model to fit your business needs. Review the available settings and adjust criteria as necessary. Once everything looks good, click the Activate button to finalize the setup. Einstein will now begin analyzing your lead data and generating scores. You can view the scores on the lead records within your Salesforce instance. Monitor the performance of the scoring model regularly to ensure it aligns with your sales processes. Make adjustments as needed based on the results and feedback from your sales team. Congratulations, you've successfully activated Salesforce Einstein Lead Scoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.